Okay, I'm gonna make the flower nightlight, and you're gonna need a flower, any flower that happens to be a pink rose. You're gonna cut the stem off. I used the spray paint glitter to jazz this thing up. It was plain, and I don't do plain. So once that's done, I still added a little glitter because technically that has glue in it. It's a sealant. So there's the glitter. It looks so shiny. And after that dries, I'm gonna add fairy light, pink fairy light. And fairy lights. And before I put them in, I just want to see if they look nice next to the flower. And they do look pretty. We're gonna just stick them in between the petals of the flower. And then that bowl with fairy lights to put in the bowl and glue it down so it lights up the bottom of the bowl. And I found these little ice looking things in the flower section, and I got those, and I'm gonna put those in the bottom of the bowl between the fairy lights and around the fairy lights to make it look better. So it's not just wires showing at the bottom. And some of my glitter came off, but I put it back on. That's how it looks once you light it up, and it's so pretty, and I'm so happy with it. And it's so crazy because these lights are so bright. They are so you can put this in your child's room and it will light up the room so they won't be scared at night. And there you have it, a rose flower light, or night light, I'm gonna call it. It's cute. Hope you like it. Subscribe and like my channel and my video. Thank you.